Hey guys, just got home from playing football in the rain. It was fun, out of shape. I had to wear my baseball pants. I didn't have shorts. But there's a couple tornadoes here in Dallas that are trying to form, or that already formed and are gone. But there's some in our area, so we're just keeping an eye out just in case we need to take shelter. Hey! But yeah, we're just watching to see if we have to take shelter just in case there's a tornado. There's a cell coming towards us that might produce a tornado, so yeah. Israel, there's a tornado coming.
Yes, Bob.
Yeah, it's a Play-Doh ball. I'll keep you guys updated.
Coming on into Ennis in Ellis County, and that is a well-defined small supercell that will, from that,
what was that, baby?
Probably track into eastern sides of Dallas.
Thunder.
Baby, come over here.
He's fine.
As we have seen this kind of go round before, we had a whole bunch of tornado warnings east of us. Move quickly. Protect yourself.
There's a tornado right by us, guys. We're right about here.
Types of tornadoes we're looking at here.
Somewhere around here. Tornado somewhere around here.
Typically do not last very long, so make sure you get to your shelters quickly. And again, go ahead, Ramisha, let's put the storm track on from here and back out, and we'll track that a little farther to the north. But again,
a confirmed tornado.
Rowlett area tornado being reported and occurring right now, David.
Yeah, we're watching a live stream from a storm chaser in that area. Nathan Moore is in Rowlett, and he's got a live stream up, and it does appear to be a large tornado in contact with the ground at the present time. I don't have the exact location other than Rowlett, but from the pictures, it does appear to be a confirmed tornado.
Okay, so
that's really close to us.
That's 719. Again, this is the portion of the storm that is in far northeast Dallas County, moving off to the north, so Riley, Lavon Lake, intensify rather quickly. We've had this warning ongoing now for quite some time, but video that we can show of this particular storm as it moved through northeast Dallas. We're getting that queued up. There you see, wow, that is big. That's a big tornado. Look at that.
Thing is huge.
That is a big tornado. The spotters were right. Now, this is a little earlier, but it's the same storm.
Yeah.
Is he right in front of us? I think so, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Dang. That is cool.
Did you get that on video?
Yeah, I got the second one.
It's pulling into the tornado over there, the wind. Look at that.
I'm getting it. I'm getting all
Come
of
on.
this.
Come on. Look at you getting it?
Yeah, I'm getting it.
As cold rain plagued survivors, a colder fear gripped Kathy Tippett. What can we do for you? Is there a way we can help you?
I just need y'all to find my daughter. We haven't heard from her.
Kim Tippett, her 1-year-old son Cameron, and another woman were in a car on I-30 on the phone at 6:45. Her family told Kim to please hurry.
This is all I grabbed. I've been waiting all night long to hear from her.
And I heard a scream, and it was an elderly woman, and she was buried in debris on the right side of her home, and her husband was too. I grabbed one at a time and pulled them out.
At Lakeview High, residents brought mountains of supplies. They will be pulling each other out here for a long time to come.
Medic! My wife's a nurse. Slow down. Slow down. I know. Hold up. Wait. Okay. Let me move some of this shit right here. Get my hands on my hand. You're good. Push on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. How many people are still in there? How many people are in there? Hey, you're okay. So be careful now. Watch out. Yeah, I'm a nurse. Get on my shoulder. He's a nurse. Ready? Come on, we gotta get out of here. So there's one more in there? You ready?
Over there. A lot of this stuff is up high and it's going to take the fire department.
All right, so we'll put this back. We'll break this way.
Okay. What's popping, guys?
Like that.
Take your time. They got a hold for you.
You got all day. We got all night.
Okay, if I bend into my knee, do you think I can pull? I can push on it because it's gonna hurt again.
Does it feel broke?
No, it doesn't feel broke. Maybe sprained.
Someone's not holding her and they can grab under her shoulder and give her a little ease off her weight. Yeah, there you go.
There you go.
Woo!
Hey, there ain't nobody else in there?
One down.
Thank God, no. You want me to get that for you?
Thanks, guys. Is that your phone?
No, that's hers.
Thank God.
Okay. Is this your phone? Is your phone, ma'am?
Thank
Is your
you.
phone? Okay.
Yeah.
What's your name,
I
ma'am?
thought y'all were gone, man. I thought y'all were gone. Hey, dude. Hey, what is your name? Gerardo?
Yeah.
Gerardo.
Go ahead.
How did y'all make it?
Go ahead. You good?
Sure, guys. There's lots of glass here. Your shoes are on? Hey, look at you.
Yeah.
You got this.
Woo! Thank you, guys. Oh my gosh. I owe y'all my life.
Yeah, make sure you get out of here and you can sit down on the ground over there.
Don't answer their phone.
Make sure you don't fall in. Nobody needs to go swimming.
We are loaded. We got some boxes going on. We got some clothes and food in there. Ugh. It's cold. It's very cold today. Might snow later. It's the day after the tornadoes hit. We've been stuck at home just because the weather's been nasty, cold, wet, thunderstorms still. It's now calming down. So we're out. We got boxes of food and just boxes of clothing that we're giving away just to help out anybody who needs it. I'm gonna take it to Lakeview High School. They were taking donations, but it looks like they're full. So that's a good thing. You know, they got a whole bunch of stuff that they're full. They can't take anymore. So we're gonna find another church that we can take it to help. And you know, all they've been saying is just please stay inside, stay off the roads, emergency vehicles trying to cross through. So I haven't been able to go out and try to help or anything just because I don't want to get in the way. I don't have any big power tools or anything like that, so I just have to wait till they clear the roads up a little bit. They stop searching for people, and you know, it's the cleaning process starts, so I can go over there and just at least help a neighbor, help her house, you know, clean their mess up, pick up all their stuff and like that. And you know, they don't want people in there stealing stuff and all that, so I understand that. So for now, we're just gonna drop off this stuff, and hopefully that can help somebody. But we're on our way. If we see anything, I'll stop by.
Y'all here to make a donation or pick up?
Donation.
What do y'all have?
We got about 5 boxes of food and some clothes.
Okay, you might check on the clothes. I know they'll take the food. We're full on clothes though, I think.
Okay.
All right, just drive, pull up right there.
Okay.
Hey guys, how you doing? I got some food and clothing and blankets. So
Okay, yes, we could take those for you.
Okay.
Is it just park right here?
Yeah, let me just park. Mostly food.
Okay.
And then blankets and clothes.
Okay.
I don't know which
we got food,
what do we got,
blankets,
guys?
clothes.
The white boxes are mostly food. There's one
clothes
white
and
box of baby clothing. And then we got
and
blankets
grown-ups.
over there on that big bucket. And more clothes on this one.
We have blankets on that,
We
the
really
black.
can't use blankets, guys.
Oh,
There's
okay.
so many.
There is other places there, right?
Yeah.
There is the last place that's open. My wife. Were you guys plan on going anywhere else, or are you just gonna get home?
No, yeah, we were.
You were?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see what else.
White box.
You're welcome.
We can't really take any clothes, guys.
That's fine.
We're,
Hey, no
we're
problem.
full up.
We'll keep looking.
Do you know where Stillwater Church is? It's right by Waterview, I believe. It's close, but they're not open till 6.
That's fine.
Okay.
We'll
So-
keep looking, man.
Yeah,
Ain't no big deal.
I'd say chill. Because, I mean, we're gonna be back at it first thing in the morning.
Okay.
I think that's when a lot of people will be coming in and grabbing stuff. Right
Okay.
now, they're just going through wreckage.
Yeah.
To figure out. Thank you so much.
Hey, no problem, man.
Okay.
Appreciate it, sir.
Okay.
Thank you. Alright, there we go. They took everything except for the clothing and blankets. They're full on that, so that's good. We'll keep looking and see where we can take those at. There we go. Whew, it's cold.